We're heading southwest with an earthly palette of red, turquoise, purple, and more. This month's star gemstone is jasper, with a variety of pendants and gemstone beads, along with accents of Alaskan agate and riverstone, porcelain focals, sparkling crystals, and a collection of copper finished beads, pendants, and findings completes the collection. Hi, it's Centra with August Bargain Bead Box, and it's called Saguaro Sunset. So let's dig in. Oh my. Oh, my favorite. Red Jasper. Oh man. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. And we're going to start off with this beautiful 8mm red rainbow jasper round beads. 15 inches. Beautiful. Nice. Nice. Yes, beautiful. The next one is 6mm red rainbow jasper matte round beads. 7 inches. Beautiful. Nice. The next one is 6mm Sea Sentiment Jasper round beads, 7 inches. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. The next one is 4 by 2.5mm red rainbow jasper faceted he-she beads, 7 inches. This is pretty, but it's not a rainbow to me, but nice shine. See that shine? There it go. Nice. There's that shine now. Pretty. Next we have 7 by 4.5mm crystal faceted rectangular bead in dark coral red. This is gorgeous. This is pretty. Look at that. Come on, shine. Come on through. There you go. Pretty. These are gorgeous beads. These are so pretty. Look at them. Oh, man. Nice. The next one is 3 to 3.5mm Alaskan agate micro faceted round beads, 14.5 inches. These are beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice. Just beautiful. Look at those colors. Nice. The next one is 5.5 millimeter crystal faceted English cut round beads and turquoise green. 10 inches. Oh, you just know you are a star. Oh my God, look at that. Just beautiful. Look at that sparkle. Ah, bling, bling. The next one is 8 millimeter Riverstone Fossil Jasper Matte Round Beads. 7.5 inches. Nice. Pretty. Look. Next one is 20-gram mix of 6x3 millimeter glass Rardell beads, Sunset Skies. Yes, it is. Isn't that pretty? Sunset Skies. The next one is 34 by 23 millimeter red jasper and brass teardrop pendant, antique copper. Yes, yes, my favorite. Beautiful. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Nice. Next, we have 2 pieces, 24 by 18 millimeter red jasper teardrop pendants. 2 of them. Nice. Next, we have 4 pieces, 14 by 9.5 millimeter red jasper teardrop beads. These are pretty, especially this one. I love it when it has that mixed color. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh man. 4 pieces. Next, we have 4 pieces, 37 to 46 millimeter cactus teardrop pendant set, antique copper with patina. So we have 4, but 2 different sets. Here's the first one. Just beautiful. Look at that in the back. Nice. And then the second one is, oh my goodness, look at this, it's so pretty. Oh man, in the back. Oh, you better get your subscription. Oh my God, because they just have some beautiful things. Oh my goodness. Then we have 4 pieces, 25 by 22 millimeter teardrop chandelier pendants, antique copper. Just beautiful. Oh, this is so nice. So, okay, so it's 4 of the same. 4 of the same. Nice. Nice. 4 of the same. Then we have 6 pieces, 27 by 17 millimeter texture teardrop links and antique copper. Oh wow, these are nice. These can be earrings too. Oh, I have an idea. Look at that. It's the back, same. 6 of them. Beautiful. You could put beads. You could put so many different things in those little loop links. Oh man. The next one is 23.5, 27 by 9 millimeter, hand painted porcelain cylinder bead in Southwest Night. When I think of the Southwest, I think about horses. Yes, rodeo. Look at that. Nice. Trying to make sure you can see it through this light. Sorry about it though. That is nice. It's the whole nice piece. Nice piece. Next, we have 30 pieces of 7 millimeter bead caps in antique copper. You know we need caps. Beautiful. And they be some pretty caps too. Not cheap at all. Nice. Look at these caps. Pretty. The next one is 30 pieces, 6 millimeter detailed bicone spacer beads in antique copper. These are pretty too. Look at them. Nice. It goes nice with this theme, most definitely. Next, we have 3 pieces, 24 by 11 millimeter, hook and eye clasp, antique copper. Look at these. These are really nice. There's the eye, and you just hook them. These are pretty. Look at that. Just gorgeous. So different and unique. I like that. And the chain. I love the chain. 4 by 3 millimeter texture oval cable jewelry chain, antique copper. Another nice chain. Another one. And I saved this one for last. Oh yes, I got an idea for this one. Most definitely, I'm gonna work on this immediately. And here it is, a 58 by 33 millimeter porcelain cactus bead, ivory with brown wash. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh yes. Nice. So there you have it. Saguaro Sunset from Bargain Bead Box, August 2026. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.